In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Udemy not working on Chrome. If you're trying to watch a course and the page won't load, videos won't play, or things just feel glitchy on Chrome, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a series of reliable troubleshooting steps you can try on your own browser. Follow along in order, and after each step, test Udemy again to see if the issue is resolved before moving on to the next one. First, start with the simplest fix. Refresh the page and make sure your internet connection is stable. Close any extra tabs or heavy downloads that might be using up bandwidth. Then reload Udemy and try playing a lecture again. If that doesn't help, try opening Udemy in an incognito or private browsing window in Chrome. This disables most extensions and uses a clean session, which is great for testing. If Udemy works in incognito mode, there's a good chance an extension, cookie, or cached file is causing the problem. Next, check your extensions. In Chrome, open your extensions page and temporarily disable anything related to ad blocking, privacy, VPNs, or content filtering. These can sometimes interfere with course video playback or site scripts. After disabling them, restart Chrome and try Udemy again. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can become outdated or corrupted and cause loading or login issues. In Chrome's settings, go to the section for clearing browsing data. Choose cached images and files, and cookies and other site data. Then clear them for at least the last 30 days. Keep in mind, you may need to log back into some sites afterwards. Once that's done, make sure Chrome itself is fully up to date. An outdated browser can run into compatibility problems with modern web apps like Udemy. Go to Chrome's About page and let it check for updates. If it installs anything, relaunch the browser and test Udemy again. If videos still won't play, check your site permissions. Click the padlock or info icon next to the Udemy URL and confirm that JavaScript, sound, and cookies are allowed. Also, if you use any security software outside of Chrome, like a firewall or antivirus with web protection, temporarily pause it to see if it's blocking Udemy's video servers. Finally, if none of these steps work, try opening Udemy in another browser, such as Firefox or Edge. If it works there, you'll know the problem is specific to Chrome, and you can consider resetting Chrome settings back to their defaults as a last resort. Follow these steps carefully, testing Udemy after each change, and you should be able to get your courses working smoothly again on Chrome.